Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to cover how to set up training system in Kajabi and also about Kajabi communities. So I hope you are liking this. You are liking this 5 days training program about how to use Kajabi for network marketing business. Though this is just an overview, I'm not able to give this in depth detail about this because it is a very big tool. But I really love building my network marketing business where I can get all these features in a single tool, Kajabi. It is so cost effective. By the way, if you're not yet using Kajabi, I suggest you to go ahead and take 30 days free trial. Okay, using my affiliate link, go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi and you can actually unlock bonuses worth $250. It is absolutely free, just as a token of appreciation from my side if you are going to use my affiliate link. And you are not going to pay anything. If in case within these 30 days you think it is good, then you can go ahead and pay. If you don't think it is good, then you can stop it. Okay, so there is nothing to lose. At least you can give it a try. Okay, this is a world-class quality tool. Okay, so today let's discuss how to set up a training system because it is so important in network marketing. So for setting up the training system, you just need to go to Kajabi and then go to products. And in the products, you can create a course. Okay, you can click on courses. Okay, and click on new course, and you can actually add your course. Like example, your team name is Team Eagle. Okay, you can just type Team Eagle training program. Okay. And this way you can just write a description, click on next. So I'm not doing it from the scratch, but let me show you how I've created this for my team. So this is how it looks. Okay, and what you can do is if you want to add a new module, so just click here on add content, click on some module or lesson. If you want to add a lesson, a video, so these are the modules. Okay, you can see these are the modules in bold, and if I expand this, these are the lessons. Okay, these are the lessons, and lessons can be in a form of video or lessons can be in a form of a audio as well. Okay, so if I go back, if I click here on add new lesson, okay, so testing, just for testing purpose, if I click here on create, so if I click here on edit lesson, so lesson can be a video, it can be audio, it can be assessment. Okay, it can be assessment as well, and also video and audio. Okay, so you can create lessons like this, and also when you upload a video here, you can actually write some video description. Suppose you want to share some links, you can share links and you can mark it as an hyperlink like this. And if you want to give some downloadable files, then you can add some downloadable files here, and also you can enable automation. Like if this entire video is finished, okay, so this can be when the lesson is completed, then grant an offer, subscribe to email sequence, maybe send an email. Maybe when this entire video is finished, you can send an email, congratulations, thank you, or whatever. Okay, you have completed lesson number 1. Now this is the next step, so this way you can enable automation for every course lesson completion. Okay, so again, let's get back here, let me delete this. Okay, so as for network marketing, okay, so in network marketing business, we need people to get trained automatically. So when a new team member joins my team, so I give them access to my training system where they get started from here. Okay, download all the important files I have maintained in Google Drive, and in the first lesson in Kajabi, they can actually click and they can access that anytime. Then welcome to TLF Creator, about the team, then what are the next steps, then 5 days workshop we did, so entire workshop is uploaded here. What is a marketing plan, our company website, catalog walkthrough, our business related trainings, then product related trainings we have uploaded here. So we have categorized this in multiple modules like business skills training. Okay, then lead generation invitation, how to generate leads, how to use Quora, how to use YouTube, how to become a YouTuber, then some incentives. Okay, so then we do some weekly meetings, so those inner circle call meetings are also uploaded here. Then there are some special trainings. So basically we have categorized this into different modules, and these modules have lessons in a video format. Okay, so this is how you can create a product, okay, a course, and then you can also enable a certificate. Like if somebody has watched this entire course, then you can provide a certificate, and you can create like what is the title of the certificate, logo, and this way once all these things are done, okay, I mean once the entire course is finished, automatically on email they get a certificate in PDF format, and which they can download and they can get it printed. Okay, so you can turn it on off. So this simple thing is you just create a product, a course, upload your videos, and categorize this in different modules. Next is go to sales. For sales purpose, I'm not using this Kajabi tool, but I'm using Razorpay, okay, and InstaMojo. But what we need to do, we need to then create an offer, okay, create an offer and tag that product. Like suppose I created this TLF training system, okay. So what I've done is I've created a new offer. New offer is where you can just put the name of your team training system. Like let me go to offers, okay, and if I click here on, see, this is the offer which I've created, TLF training program. So this is the name of the offer, and here what I've done is when I grant this offer, the product which is attached to this offer is our training system, training program, which is basically a course. So which means when a new team member joins a team, I grant them offer, and once this offer is granted, they automatically get access to this product, okay. And also I can enable some more post purchase where I want them to go a landing page, thank you page, and then maybe post purchase email, okay. Then what is automation, like once this offer is granted, then tag that person with TLF member. So you can just go through all this automation, all these details on this page, okay. So basically what I've done is created a new course, then created an offer, attach that product, which means course with an offer, simple, okay. And then when a new team member joins a team, just click on contacts, and I click here on add new contact, add a single contact. I put their name and email ID, everything, and then click here grant offer, and I can grant offer of this. This is the offer. So once I give this offer, okay, subscribe to email sequence, so automatically this person is going to get email ID and password to access the course, okay. And also Kajabi gives us, if I search for Kajabi mobile app, so Kajabi gives us mobile app as well, okay. So Android or iOS, you can simply download Kajabi mobile app and you can start accessing the course within mobile app, okay. So it is a really good experience. It gives really good professional learning experience. So you don't have to log in and again. You just once log into your Kajabi app and you're good to go. So Android and iOS, both platforms have their mobile app, okay, Kajabi app. Clear? So this is how you can create your own training system. Also you can create a drip format, like they have to first watch one video only, then the next video will be unlocked. This option is also available in the courses, okay. Now apart from that, let's talk about Kajabi community. So Kajabi also has option called community. Community means just like Facebook group, okay. So we have 1332 people in our community. So just click on community, create a new community, simple, okay. So let me show you a demo about how we have created this community. So in this community, I have created an access group. It is known as access group, okay. And in this community, you can see we have created 4 different discussion topics, you can say, okay, circles. So general discussion, you can ask anything, generally discuss with anything with other people. Support, ask any question here. Then wins, if you have any wins, you can share your wins here, okay. Then polls and chats also go here. So these are the 4 categories of messages. If I directly go to feed, I can write my thoughts and I have to tag this particular post, okay, tag it with a particular circle, okay. Then I also can upload a file and I can post, I can basically write a post here with a hyperlink, okay. So I can upload a PDF file, audio, video, okay. Then if I click here on resources, challenges, I can create a new challenge and involve everybody into the challenge. Good thing about the community is you can actually it automatically gives some points on every engagement. So if I click here, they get point. Like if they complete a challenge, they get 100 points. If their post is inspiring, which means somebody liked their post, they get 1 point. If they leave a comment on a post, they get 3 points. So it makes community really very, very engaging, and we can see monthly and all-time leaderboard, and accordingly we can give some reward for their engagement, like this. Also I can see meetups, so I can create a new meetup here, okay. And also I can use live room, which means instead of using Zoom, I can directly use community here, a live room experience, so that I don't have to use Zoom. I can directly go live here. People can join in, 200 people, they can watch me live within this community itself, okay. So this option is also available here. Okay, and once I go live, it is going to notify. Okay, so I don't want them to notify. Okay, so they will be notified on email. Okay, so let's leave. Clear? On all these live room recordings will be seen. Okay, these recordings will be available within community itself. Okay, so this is all about community. Okay, I'm not going again very deep into it, but yes, Kajabi gives you an option to engage all your downlines, all your network into a single group community. Though you may have a WhatsApp group, but for a very good experience engagement, okay, with a gamification leaderboard, you can use Kajabi communities. It comes within the same package. Got it? Okay, so this is all about training system and communities. So if you want to go ahead and try Kajabi, go ahead, just use my affiliate link, go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi, and you can avail these bonuses for $250. Okay, absolutely free. Okay, I'm not going to charge anything. Just use my affiliate link, go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi, and go ahead and avail 30 days trial and book a consultation call with us so that we can help you to set up Kajabi tool for you. Okay, so dnaclub.in/Kajabi. I also am giving this clickable link in the video description. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box below. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.